Welcome back to the Camp Nou vision. Barcelona dropped a bombshell announcement. On February 22nd against Levante, they're opening Phase 1C of Camp Nou's renovation. That means activating the north goal stand and jumping to 62,000 capacity. That's 17,000 new seats in one go. The biggest jump since redevelopment began. Mundo Deportivo reports everything's ready. Infrastructure complete, exits cleared, facilities operational. But can they actually pull this off in less than 3 weeks? Before we break it all down, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any Camp Nou updates. Let's break down what's really happening at Camp Nou. The South Goal Zone is busy, but not with assembly. Crews are focused on preparatory work, applying anti-rust coatings to bolts and black steel beams. This treatment is essential before any permanent structural connections can be made. The orange crane is back out, positioned to lift new slats that have been wrapped and waiting. Anchor points are ready on the right side. Corner sections near future elevator shafts show solid progress. Steel panels are covering upper and lower framework. Some exposed stairs and supports remain, but the skeleton is nearly complete. The parking ramp got a major upgrade. After removing a wall and adding reinforcement, crews poured fresh concrete. It's now significantly wider, solving previous clearance issues for larger vehicles. The Tribuna area sits quiet after the latest match day. Stair construction needs panel installation, mechanical work, and safety features. Upper walls still need final paint coverage. Wooden floorboards on the storefront balcony came out recently. Something new is clearly planned for that space. Large ventilation components sit outside in the diamond section. These cubic metal pieces have been in storage rotation for weeks. Glass installation has stalled, though pallets remain stacked and ready. 2 green structural pieces have been sitting in place for quite some time. The latest construction milestone centers on the 3rd compression ring support pillar. Following final checks, the pillar was lifted into position and guided precisely into its foundation. Crews secured the base connection, verified alignment, and stabilized the structure. With 3 of 46 pillars now in place, the compression ring system continues taking shape step by step. The north goal corner shows concentrated activity. Workers move through 1st and 2nd candle overhang hallways while a crane prepares to lift prefabricated grandstand sections. Lower-level slat supports are pre-installed and ready. Large chrome tubes now run along the entire corner, a striking visual change. Many more tubes sit nearby, queued for installation. The north goal concrete slab finished before lateral zones, but formwork panels and temporary supports remain in place. No removal, no paneling progression. Anti-rust treatment and prep work dominate current activity. Actual installation happens in careful, controlled phases. Cranes remain critical to advancing slat work, especially where materials have sat staged for weeks. Prefabricated grandstands and compression ring pillars sit ready for imminent vertical assembly. Glasswork is substantial but paused, with pallets waiting. Structural steel for elevators and stairs nears completion. The February 22nd deadline looms. Whether Barcelona makes it depends on execution over these next crucial weeks. If you enjoyed this update and want to stay on top of every major Camp Nou development, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll be back with another construction update very soon. Thanks for watching.